Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. By the time you're watching this video, ay nilaunch na ang Honor X90 sa Pilipinas with an SRP of 18,999. If you're going to get this before the 23rd or January 23, you're getting it for only 17,999 with the Giso Life Fan 5 plus an Honor gift set for free. You get those freebies when you pre-order. Now, the first thing I'd like to talk about is the crazy thing I did back in December. Of course, some of you may have seen already the video, which is the plane challenge. And in that video, I actually threw one Honor X90 to the ground. No? Things to consider would be velocity, yung babagsakan din niya, no? That's another consideration. At the same time, no, this is basically an item na bumubulusok because nga naman is because of the velocity and all. It's like a bullet, no? Because it's coming from a moving vehicle. Now, that experience was really fun for me. Sabi ko nga sa mga friends ko na I feared for my life before that challenge. But also, I feared for the phone kasi nga naman I did not actually really expect na magwi-withstand ito aesthetically, no? Kasi nga naman babagsak siya, no, from above, no. Thankfully it did, but not only that, nag-function pa rin siya, no. All the things still functioned, the camera, the accelerometer functioned, even aesthetically parang wala nga siyang naging damage, no. Which brings me to the point of what durability is all about for me. Durability, I was prepared that this phone would not look aesthetically pleasing kapag bumagsak siya, but it still did. But para sa akin, ang durability is the ability of that phone to still allow me to recover my files kapag nalaglag siya, no? Pwedeng mabasag yan, pwedeng mayupi, pero pag bumukas pa rin yan at na-retrieve ko yung mga photos ko or videos ko, that's really the one that I needed. Okay, so nasabi ko na about the price, nasabi ko na about my experience of the plane challenge, nasabi ko na about durability. What's the other one? The other one is that while this one is marketed as a very durable phone, it can actually take good photos. Here are some photos that I took using the Honor X90 when I was in Las Vegas yesterday. So here we go.
Slow down.
So yeah, as you can see, it's really a good phone. At $17,999 until the 23rd of January, this is a must-have. I highly recommend it. And at $18,999, definitely still a good price, no? You get more if you pre-order. And yeah, I highly recommend this phone, especially if, sabi nga nila, ay madali kang makabagsak ng telepono mo. This has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Thank you for watching.